Welcome back to my channel. My name's Anika and today I will show you how to make a patriotic napkin luminary. This is one of the 4th of July decorations that I made, and I posted all the other videos of all the other 4th of July decorations that I made, and this decoration is the last one. The last craft is a patriotic napkin luminary. To make this, you will need a clear mason jar, an LED string light, or a tea light, a patriotic themed paper napkin, Mod Podge, a paintbrush, a bowl to keep the Mod Podge in, and a clear spray sealer. So you only need 1/4 of the paper napkin, just 1/4 there. So I already have a pre-cut one, so I'm gonna use that one. So first we're going to put the Mod Podge into the bowl. And then the napkin, it's only gonna cover 2 sections of the mason jar like that. So I'm going to first using the paintbrush paint on the Mod Podge where the napkin is going to be placed over, and then I'm gonna place on the napkin. Now I'm going to put on the napkin. Now that it's stuck on, I'm going to go over the napkin and put Mod Podge on top of it so that it looks shiny. And the Mod Podge looks right now, and it looks like it's not perfect and it's getting everywhere else, but that's fine because once it dries, it's clear. It turns clear. So I finished applying on all of the Mod Podge, and now I'm going to let it dry. The Mod Podge is completely dry now, so I'm gonna spray it with a clear spray sealer. You should let an adult do this step for safety reasons. After spraying it, it actually dries in minutes, but I think it's better for you to leave it for 1 hour so that you're sure that it's completely dried. The spray dried, and after that I added in the LED strips and the tea lights, and so here's the final result of the Patriotic Napkin Luminary. You can also use a luminary as a pen, pencil, or marker holder, or as a vase. So in here I have a tiny glass, and I filled it up with water. And now I'm just gonna add in the roses, and now it's a vase. I used a small glass because I still want to keep the LEDs and LED lights inside, but if you don't want to keep the LED lights, you can just fill it directly in the jar. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I hope you try and make the Patriotic Napkin Luminaries at home as well. This is one of the 4th of July decorations that I made, and I posted all the other decorations that I made for 4th of July, so please go check those out. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get notified whenever I post a new video. Anyways, see you guys next time. Bye!